Evidence-based practice, or EBP, is a methodology in healthcare that combines the clinician's expertise, the best available research evidence, and the patient's values and preferences to make optimal healthcare decisions. Its evolution has been relatively recent, with healthcare professionals being at different stages of knowledge and appreciation of EBP depending upon their journey. Even experienced providers may find it challenging to incorporate evidence directly at the point of care or at the health system level. By the end of this video, we aim to not only explain the origins and advancements of EBP in healthcare, but also to inspire you to see your place in this evolution and contribute to your professional field's continuous improvement. Now, let's delve deeper into the history and advancement of EBP. The concept was introduced by pioneers like Sackett, Guyot, and others from the 1970s to the 1990s. They shifted the emphasis from intuition, past experience, and pathophysiologic rationale to explicit and conscientious use of the best available research evidence. This shift did not happen overnight, and it was met with some resistance in the medical field initially, as it required a significant shift in how decisions were made. To understand the importance of EBP, let's consider an example. Imagine a case where a doctor had been using a certain drug to treat a specific condition based on his experience and intuition. However, recent research indicated a new drug was more effective and had fewer side effects. Without EBP, the doctor might continue using the old drug, leading to less optimal patient outcomes. This case shows the importance of EBP in healthcare decision-making. Despite the abundance of clinical research available, incorporating it into healthcare decision-making was not commonplace at the time. The initial definition of EBP focused on three components: clinical judgment, patients' values and preferences, and relevant scientific evidence. This framework influenced how we perceive EBP from the 1990s, when the profession began to incorporate research-based evidence into practice. Around 2000, the Institute of Medicine, or IOM, now known as the National Academy of Medicine, or NAM, published two impactful reports, To Err as Human and Crossing the Quality Chasm. These reports drew attention to safety and health disparities at both individual clinician and health system levels. They showed the system's inefficiencies and highlighted instances in which patients would acquire infections during their hospital stays, potentially leaving the hospital in a worse condition than when they arrived. These reports started discussions and encouraged people to consider solutions, with EBP being a crucial part of that conversation. However, it quickly became apparent that incorporating EBP wasn't straightforward. Barriers that were encountered included a lack of adequate evidence in some instances, difficulty accessing available evidence, or lack of knowledge on how to apply the evidence. These challenges brought forward the need for a conscious and structured process to support clinicians and health systems' engagement in EBP. In the next video, we'll discuss the tools developed to overcome these barriers and the importance of continually funding and improving these resources. We will also examine how the push for rigorous evidence-based practices led to the development of various guidelines and standards for healthcare. Stay tuned, and remember, each of us plays a crucial role in the continuous evolution and improvement of EBP in healthcare.